Hey folks, you guys ever deal with BarkBox? Get it delivered every month. They give you a little toys, like little snacks for your pets. This one is a BarkBuster movie night. Just want to show you what comes with these. You have to understand this. They're very creative with all the stuff. Okay? Check out what they have. So remember, it's a movie night. So let's go with this right here. BarkBuster. Do you know what movie is playing? Watch this. Ready? Drooling Tensions. Rated PG-2. That is wild. What else is next? Thirsty? How about a Sploot beer? Crazy. I think it has a beeper. Sound effects. Don't forget about this. Squeak fish. Oh boy. Everybody loves their little Swedish fish. So it's squeak fish. Another squeaker in here. Let's see what else they got. Pet licks. Oh, look, they have their own little remote control. Guess Netflix, Pet licks. Very funny, people. Very funny. What we got here? Buttered chomp corn. Get it? Popcorn. It's also a little squeaker. Enjoy the show. Tell ya, they're very creative. Very creative. And that's just the toys. Then they usually give you treats. Bada bing, bada beef. Add it to your food. Little snacks. Soft bakes. Another one. Magic jerky bars. Oh boy. Jerky bites. Awesome. What else? There's a lot of stuff in here. Lamb recipe. Jerky bars again. Pumpkin and honey recipe. Large chews. There's 2 of them. And that's it. And then they give you this nice little display here. And tell you what could have been in this box. So what we didn't get was we didn't get any licorice. But we got just about everything else. No, we get the popcorn. There's a slushie. There's a couple of things. There's random stuff. They just pull it out and throw it in there for you. And this is all nice treats for Peter. Peter, our dog. He's going to love this in the morning. He doesn't know we have it yet. But he's going to rip apart these toys in seconds. Alright? But tell you, give BarkBox a nice little shout out. They're very creative with a lot of their stuff. Gotta love them. Thanks, BarkBox. Ciao. Okay, Peter, it's time for your BarkBuster movie night. For you to pick out one of your toys or snacks. Are we in? Are you ready? Okay, good answer. Ready? Here it is. I'm going to put it on the ground. And you get to choose what you would like to get, okay? Look at all those toys you got. Well, he's going for the treat. He's going for a stick. Buttered popcorn. The remote. All right, there he goes. All right. Oh, any reason why you're going to place it over there? Is that for the birds? What else you got? Oh, he's going to go with the stick. He wants a snack. You're supposed to eat that
without the plastic.
Without the plastic. And that's what he took out of his box first. Not the toy, but a snack. All right. Good job, buddy. We're gonna eat these later. Ciao.